We sold out these guys. And this. Guys, we sell this one painting, and this is the first time I made. And I make another painting, so we sold out. Oh, guys, this is our adobong sitaw string beans with beef. Yeah, still cooking. We have 4 menu today. I will let you see, guys. Here, higadong chicken. I'm pretty sure another hit menu today. You can mix here. It's all my pancit. And then mix. Not easy to cooking. I wake up so early, so this is our pancit. Yeah, pancit bihon. And this is our pinakbet. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Now is 7:30 in the morning, so I start cooking at 6. Thanks for watching, and I love you all.